Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm finally making a vlog. I found this place called Santa Croce del Lago on Google Maps and I really like the snowy mountain and lake combination. So I took a train to come here to take pictures and make a video. When I got off the train I realized that I was the only passenger that stopped at this place. It seems like a very tiny village. From the train station you can already see the lake. Up hills there are little houses overlooking the station and the lake. Must be a very nice place to live in. Walking downwards, there's a trail that leads you directly to the lake water, a place you can stay more intimate with the lake. So right next to the train station, there is this sailing school, boat sailing school on the lake. But yeah, there's nobody. And I found this fireplace left by previous visitors. It is quiet, not much is going on. There's nobody else around. Only sound I could hear was birds, dogs, chickens, trains, and of course the noise of passing cars and trucks on the road behind me, which is a bummer. Into the little village, the buildings look really pretty. I wish I could live in one of those, embracing the valley, embracing the nature, embracing the country life in the mountains. It got rainy, but I didn't mind it that much. I like it rainy and moody. For me it brings tranquility and quietness. Along the way, many places and paths are labeled private property, therefore I have not much to explore. In the afternoon, I sat in the train station to read a book I brought with me. The rain stopped sometimes and eventually got heavier. There was even thunder from afar. The mountain was covered in humid mist. Not much to see, not much I could see. So I buried my head in the book and finished it. Such was my day. A nice day. Thank you for watching. Here are some photos I took. I like the feel, the mountain, the lake. You can never go wrong.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. Always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want. Everything